birthplace of Christianity in the Philippines, Cebu City! John Villanueva from the largest city in Metro Manila, Quezon City!
Ian Gomez from the land rich in agricultural heritage, the Queen Province of the North, Isabela!
Nelson Bello, mula sa Luzon, kailanman hindi sumusuko, Malanga City, Bataan!
Well, dancing, coming from the home of our first Filipino hero, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, anak ni Dato Lapu-Lapu!
Bert Aurelius representing a place with stunning natural beauty and rich history. Argo, Cebu!
John Dumaire, coming from the first capital of the Philippines, Cebu City!
San Mihasa representing the city of heritage and foods, Malabon City!
Loyola Perez, founder, representing from the peaceful province of Southern Leyte!
Mas Francisco, mula sa buhay ng mahusay, Abukay, Bataan! Tikoy Libradilayu from the home of the champions, General Santos City! I'm EJ Agostino, coming from Emerald City of the Philippines, Muntinlupa City!
Guy Galma, representing the home of the Pawikan and the land of the brave, Morong, Bataan!
Yes, it's been raining in Manila.
I'm your athlete number 19, representing Sampalang, Manila, Justine Perulla.
Lawrence Pasaliote from the province of Forbes, Zamboanga del Sur!
Si Matias from the heart of the Philippine Revolution, Caloocan City.
JJ Vinci from Sidney Smile, Bacolod City.
Rex Guevara, nagmula sa lutong binansagang tugan ng gulo, ngunit sandayan ng husay, talino at talento ng buong Manila. Tony Mason from the hidden jewel of the North, a land with pristine beaches, rich culture, and resilient people. Municipality of Pulinao, province of Pangasinan. Sana Castro Norte, from the marching band capital of the Philippines, Bacoor City. Ellen Pimentel, representing a city that is known for its vibrant culture, stunning skyline, and warm people, City of Taguig.